Hello guys, welcome to Sid Astrology Studio, and today we will be discussing Mangal Dosh in astrology. So Mangal Dosh is basically a dosh which is created by the planet Mars. Mangal means Mars. Mangal is also known as Kuja. So this particular dosh is also known as Kuja Dosh in astrology. So guys, Mangal dosh is considered as a very negative kind of a dosh in astrology. It is a very bad dosh, but there are some astrologers which scares a lot of people that you have a Mangal dosh in your horoscope, so your married life will be afflicted. It's not like that. There is a, there are 40% of the people who have Mangal dosh in their birth horoscope. So you don't need to be scared of this, because you have to see you have to see very precisely that is that Mangal dosh which is present in your horoscope, is it how much power is it having? Is it 20% active, 80% active, or 100% active? So this thing you have to notice, then only you can judge, you can reach to the final conclusion that what kind of effect it will be having on your life. So guys, Mangal dosh is caused when your Mars is placed in first house, fourth house, seventh house, eighth house and 12th house of your birth chart. Also, some astrologers consider if your Mars is posted in second house of your horoscope, then also there are some astrologers who take it as Mangal dosh. So guys, Mangal dosh is a kind of a dosh which affects the life of a person after the marriage. So there can be financial troubles after marriage. There can be a possibility of mismatch of the mental compatibility with your partner. There can be a situation in 1 or 2% of the cases, there can be a situation of divorce in Mangal dosh. There can be conflicts between the husband and wife due to Mangal dosh. So this is what Mangal dosh is all about. But guys, you have to see the intensity of Mangal dosh. If your Mangal dosh is only 20% activated, then you cannot say that your married life will going to suffer. So to know that how strong is Mangal dosh in your kundli, you need to know about the position of Mars in your horoscope. If your Mars is very badly placed in your horoscope in first, fourth, seventh, eighth and 12th houses of your horoscope, then you can say that yes, you have a strong Mangal dosh. Otherwise, if your Mars is placed in these houses but your Mars is in a very good position, then the Mangal dosh is nullified. You cannot say that you have a very high Mangal dosh. It is known as a low Mangal dosh. Even if Saturn is with Mars in the fourth house, then the Mangal dosh effect will be negligible. It will be only 10% activated. You have to see the degree, you have to see the conjunction of planets with your Mars in these different houses. Then only you can reach to the final conclusion that how much effective my Mangal dosh is. Also guys, if you should be knowing that a person who has a Mangal dosh, or you can say that a person who has Mars placed in first house, fourth house, seventh house, eighth house and 12th house of the horoscope, then that person is known as Manglik. So normally a Manglik marries a Manglik, and the Mangal dosh gets nullified. Also, if you are born in Tuesday, if you are born on Tuesday, then also the Mangal dosh nullifies. So these are the yogas which are being cancelled. The Mangal dosh is cancelled when we say that you are born on Tuesday or you married a Manglik partner. So these are the the things which you should remember while judging your horoscope and reaching to the final conclusion that I have a Mangal dosh. So you also have to see when your Mars planetary dasha is activated in terms of Vimshotri dasha, in terms of Char dasha, in terms of other dashas as well, because at a time there are 30 dashas on a single person, and I have made all these videos. You can see all those my videos in my YouTube channel. You can see some more videos as well, so you will get to know about what dosh are, what planets are, what are conjunctions, what are the mahadashas. So guys, coming back to Mangal dosh, Mangal is a very fiery planet. Mars is a very fiery planet. It is your ego, it is your self-esteem. So if you have a very strong Mangal dosh, then there is a possibility that you may end up having a divorce with your spouse, and that is I have seen only 5 to 10% of the cases which where people end up having a divorce. Otherwise, Mangal dosh is, you don't have to be scared of Mangal dosh. There are certain remedies which can be done. There are there are the intensities of these Mangal dosh. If your Mangal dosh is highly activated in your horoscope, then definitely you are going to suffer your married life. But Mangal dosh also causes some financial problems, especially if your Mars is in is in a very afflicted position, and your karka for your finance and monetary gains is also involved with that Mars. So you have to see every aspect of astrology in judging the Mangal dosh. Guys, you should note one more thing, that Mangal dosh is is very common. It's like it's a very normal thing. You don't have to be scared of this kind of dosh. And nowadays astrologers are really scaring people by saying that you have a Mangal dosh, but there are certain remedies which can be done. You have to see the intensity of the Mangal dosh as well. So guys, I think I have covered Mangal dosh as a whole, and this was my observation on Mangal dosh in astrology. I have uploaded some more videos on astrology, on D9 chart, D10 chart, Vimshotri Mahadasha. You can see all those my videos on my YouTube channel, Sid Astrology Studio. So stay tuned and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.